Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things finance and lifestyle. Here at HouseLux Estate, we're all about helping you live your best life without breaking the bank. As your faithful guides on this journey, we bring you practical advice on everything from managing your finances to maximizing rewards, all while maintaining a lifestyle that is nothing short of luxurious. Our mission: to show you that living lavishly doesn't necessarily mean living expensively. We believe that with the right guidance and a few smart moves, you can stretch your dollars further than you ever imagined. We're here to share our wisdom, tips, and tricks, and to help you navigate the often confusing world of personal finance. From understanding complex financial concepts to making everyday decisions that will boost your bottom line, we've got you covered. In today's video, we will be sharing a step-by-step guide to maximizing cashback rewards on your credit cards. Stay tuned. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand what cashback rewards are. Cashback rewards, as the term implies, are a form of reward system where credit card companies give back a certain percentage of the money you've spent using your card. Imagine it like a little thank you note from your credit card company for using their service. Now, the exact percentage you get back can vary from one credit card to another. It typically ranges from 1% to 5%. This variation is largely dependent on the type of purchase made. For instance, a card might offer a higher cash back percentage on grocery purchases and a lower one on gas or dining out. You might be wondering, why do credit card companies offer cash back rewards in the first place? Well, it's a win-win situation. For the companies, it's a way to incentivize card usage, which in turn generates more business for them. For us, the card users, it's an opportunity to get some money back on our purchases. It's also worth noting that cashback rewards are not the same as discount offers. While discounts lower the price you pay at the point of purchase, cashback rewards give back a portion of your spending after the fact. Think of it as a delayed discount, if you will. Furthermore, it's crucial to know that these rewards are not automatic. They need to be redeemed. Depending on the credit card, you might redeem your cash back as a statement credit, direct deposit, check, or use it to purchase gift cards or merchandise. While this might sound like free money, remember that cashback rewards are a part of a larger financial picture. It's essential to use your credit card responsibly and pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges that could outweigh the benefits of cashback. Now that we know what cashback rewards are, let's explore how to maximize them. After all, who doesn't want to make the most out of their money? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of cashback credit cards. The first step to maximizing your cashback rewards is choosing the right credit card. Now, this might sound simple, but it's essential to understand that not all credit cards are built the same. Depending on your lifestyle and spending habits, certain cards will be more beneficial to you than others. Think of it as picking the right tool for the job. Let's dive a bit deeper. Take a moment to consider where your money goes each month. Are you a foodie who spends a significant chunk dining out or ordering in? Or perhaps you're a road warrior, spending more on gas than anything else. Maybe you're a homebody, and most of your budget goes towards groceries and household items. Each of these spending habits aligns with a different type of cashback credit card. Some cards offer higher cashback percentages on groceries, while others might reward you more for gas or dining out. It's all about finding the card that best matches your spending habits to maximize your cashback rewards. But don't stop there. Dig a little deeper. Look into the nitty-gritty details of the card. Are there caps on how much cash back you can earn in certain categories? What about sign-up bonuses or annual fees? These factors can significantly influence the overall value you get out of your card. So don't shy away from doing a little homework. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you. It's not about changing your lifestyle to fit a card, but rather finding a card that fits your lifestyle. And don't worry, there's a card out there for everyone. From the frequent flyer to the online shopper, from the big family spender to the frugal saver, credit card companies have designed a variety of cards to cater to different spending habits. So take your time, do your research, and find that perfect card that's going to help you rake in those cashback rewards. Once you have the right card, the next step is to strategize your spending. And we'll delve into that in our next scene. Stay tuned. Strategizing your spending is a sure way to maximize your cashback rewards. To make the most of your cashback credit card, it's not just about how much you spend, but how you spend. Let's dive in. Firstly, consider using your credit card for regular expenses. These could be groceries, gas, or that morning cup of joe. Everyday purchases can add up quickly, and before you know it, you've earned a nice little cashback bonus. Remember though, it's crucial to only spend what you would have used in cash or on a debit card. Next, think about paying your bills with your credit card. Utilities, internet, phone bills, even insurance payments can often be paid with a credit card. This way, those necessary expenses aren't just depleting your bank account, they're also earning you cash back. Now, let's talk about those big-ticket items. Planning a vacation? Need a new refrigerator? Consider using your credit card for these large purchases. Not only could you earn a significant amount of cash back, but many credit cards also offer extended warranties or purchase protections that could save you in the long run. One key point to remember in all of this is to pay off your balance in full each month. While earning cash back is great, it's not worth it if you're racking up interest charges. Paying off your balance ensures you're truly benefiting from your cashback rewards and not falling into a cycle of debt. Of course, everyone's financial situation and spending habits are different, so it's important to create a strategy that works for you. Be mindful of your spending, make sure it aligns with your budget, and always pay off your balance. With a proper spending strategy, you can start earning significant cashback rewards. But there's more to it. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of cashback credit cards and how to truly make them work for you. Beyond strategic spending, you can further maximize your cashback rewards by utilizing reward programs. Now, you might ask, what exactly are these reward programs? Well, these programs are essentially loyalty schemes offered by credit card companies to incentivize cardholders to use their cards more often. They work on a points-based system where every dollar you spend earns you points. These points can then be redeemed for a variety of rewards such as gift cards, travel discounts, or even cashback. One interesting aspect of these reward programs is that they often offer bonus rewards for shopping at specific stores or during certain periods. For instance, a credit card might offer double or triple points when you shop at a particular grocery store, or during the holiday season. This means that if you plan your purchases carefully, you can earn a significant amount of points and, by extension, rewards. However, it's important to note that not all reward programs are created equal. Some cards might have high reward rates but also high annual fees, while others might offer lower reward rates but no annual fees. So it's crucial to read the fine print and understand exactly what you're signing up for. In addition, some reward programs might require you to sign up for the bonus categories each quarter, while others might automatically enroll you. So keep an eye on your email inbox and credit card app notifications to ensure you're not missing out on any potential rewards. Lastly, make sure to pay off your credit card balance in full each month. Remember, any interest charges you incur can quickly eat into your rewards, making the whole exercise futile. So there you have it. Reward programs can be a powerful tool in maximizing your cashback rewards. But as with all financial tools, they require careful management and strategic use. By combining reward programs with your spending strategy, you can truly make the most of your cashback rewards. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to maximizing your cashback rewards. We've journeyed through the world of credit cards, dissecting the concept of cashback rewards, and discovering how they can be a beneficial tool when used wisely. Remember, choosing the right credit card is crucial. Look for cards that offer higher percentages on categories where you spend the most. Next, we talked about strategizing your spending. By planning your purchases and using your card at the right time, you can earn more rewards. And lastly, we delved into the importance of utilizing reward programs. These programs often provide extra cashback opportunities, so don't miss out on them. Every cent matters when it comes to savings, and with these tips, your credit card can become a tool for financial growth rather than a source of debt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more finance and lifestyle tips. Happy saving!